Hi guys, benchtop thickness planers are an essential piece of equipment for any woodshop. These planers are an excellent option for small home woodshops and contractors that need a portable option. While not big and powerful as full-size shop thickness planers, benchtop thickness planers are still very capable of effectively planing a wide range of wood products. Thickness planers allow users to purchase a wider range of raw wood materials and mill the wood to the exact dimensions needed for a project. So, let's get started. Number 10, Triton TPT 125 High Performance Benchtop Planer. Features of this product: the Triton TPT 125 is a high-performance benchtop planer with 12 to 1/2 inch cutting width. This Triton planer has a cutter height from 1/8 inch to 5.9 inches. Precise setting of the cutting depth is easy with the graduated depth crank handle and clear easy-to-read thickness scale. 4-post column design for rigidity and smooth, accurate vertical movement for precise results. Large in-feed and outfeed tables provides added material support for long workpieces. 17,500 cuts per minute for a high-quality, consistently smooth finish to the workpiece. Easy, accurate setting of depth of cut in 1/16-inch increments. Circuit breaker for enhanced electrical safety. Dust chute for efficient dust extraction that can be mounted on either side for a cleaner, safer working environment. The next is Number 9, QTEK 40800HC 13-inch benchtop planer. Now you can get it at around $649. Features of this product: 2-speed feed rate. Tackling a project with hardwood or figured wood is easy with the 2-speed lever. Avoid tear out by slowing down the feed rate to 16 fpm and watchboards come out effortlessly smooth. Depth of cut indicator. Handy scale on the front of the planer shows how much material is taken off with each pass. Repeat cut depth stop. Comprehensive 8 positions depth stop for ease of thicknessing a batch of board to the same size. Versatile flip dust hood. Flip it up and let the sawdust naturally blow out the back, or flip it down to attach a dust collector for optimal chip removal. The next is Number 8, Oliver 12 to 1/2 inch thickness planer. Now you can get it at around $1,200. Features of this product: finally, a benchtop planer you don't need to double in cost to get what you want. Oliver includes a bird Helix cutter head and Wixie digital readout, and this is only the start. Authentic bird Helix cutter head provides smooth cuts. Built-in carry handles for easy portability. 4-sided carbide inserts are indexed for quick changing. Fold-up extension wings provide added material support. Wixie WR510S digital readout for quick accurate setup. 4 depth stops allow easy setup from 3/4 inch to 5/32. Powerful 2 HP 15 amp 115V motor. 4-post design ensures cutter head alignment to table. The next is Number 7, Jet Fliptop Benchtop Machine. This benchtop is here with the 12% price off. Now you can get it at around $300. Features of this product: accommodates many machines. 20-inch by 25-inch work surface fits several Jet benchtop machines. Maximum storage, bolt 2 machines, one on each side of the flip top. Solid support, steel construction, with a solid top, allows the table to hold up to 300 pounds. Fast machine changes. Ergonomic handles on either side of the table make rotating and locking the flip top quick and simple. Adjustable table height. Benchtop machines can be positioned at optimal height for the user. Jet Red Assurance Guarantee. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 90-day warranty against manufacturing defects. The next is Number 6, Maporn Thickness Planer. This benchtop is here with the 15% price off. Now you can get it at around $339. Features of this product: quality 1800W high-power wood planer machine with 4 PCS cutter blades, all-metal workbench, and steel floor stand. With max cutting width of 13 inch, cutting thickness of 0.2-6, blade speed of 9,000 RPM, and feeding rate of 315 min. Operation: a crank handle for easy adjustment of the height of cutter head, scale ruler for precise machining. Grooves on both sides are designed for easy mobility. Automatic feeding design is available, able to auto-feed the materials. Design: the dust exhaust interface can connect to dust collectors for easy cleanup of the flying wood chips to cultivate a clean working environment. the detachable and heavy-duty stand is available for more strong fixation of the wood planer. And safety equipped with power-off protection electromagnetic switch, the overcurrent protector can be tripped when the motor is overloaded. The next is number 5, VEVOR thickness planer. Now you can get it at around $410. Features of this product. Thickness planer, our 2000W 15-amp high-power thickness planer handles larger cuts in broader materials with ease. It is 236-inch min in feeding speed, 13 of max cutting width, 0 to 0.12 of planing depth, and 0.24-6.3 of planing height for excellent performance. Workbench and stand. The Benchtop planer is equipped with foldable tables and a detachable stand for extra operating space. You can adjust both tables to get the appropriate angle for smoothly feeding boards. To operate, it is hassle-free for you to adjust the height of the cutter head with a comfortable crank handle. Application scenarios. The woodworking planer is your ideal option for planing old, weathered, rough, and worn wood, giving it an extraordinarily smooth finish. It is widely applicable to processing materials as wood, bamboo, lining nylon, etc. The next is number 4, Bosch 12V Max Planer. Now you can get it at around $180. Features of this product. Balanced design. The Bosch GHO 12V08N provides an easy-to-handle, balanced cordless planer designed for fast, smooth stock removal with the first 12V Max planer on the market. Efficient. With an easy brushless motor, the GHO 12V08N provides professional operation, 500 RPM planing and efficient runtime. Longer runtime. This cordless planer delivers up to 33 feet of planing per battery amp hour in hardwood, planing at 0.04 inches. Depth. Capacity. The GHO 12V08N provides a single-pass planing depth of up to 0.08 inches. And the ability to create rabbets of up to 0.7 inches. While the 2.2 inches planing width allows planing of most wood door edges. Ergonomic. The planer features an ergonomic design machined from one aluminum block, allowing for balance and even planing. The next is number 3, Craftsman Benchtop Planer. Now you can get it at around $399. 15-amp Benchtop planer motor allows for superior stock removal as its 8,000 RPM cutter head speed provides 16,000 cuts per minute. The 2-knife, quick change, solid steel cutter head of the surface planer assures smooth operation and long life. Ideal for dimensioning lumber to a desired thickness, and even planes glued-up materials. Features of this product. Hard and softwood material removal. 15-amp motor of the woodworking planer provides power for both hard and softwood material removal. Maximum stock removal. The thickness planer features poly-V cutter head drive for maximum stock removal. Smooth operation. The wood planer featuring 2-knife, quick change, solid steel cutter head mounted on ball bearings assures smooth operation and long life. Long cutting life. High carbon steel, double-edged, reversible knives for long cutting life. Cleaner workspace, vacuum port for dust collection. The next is number 2, PL1252 Benchtop Thickness Planer. Now you can get it at around $295. Features of this product. Brand WEN. Color is black. Style 12.5-inch 2-blade planer. Power source corded electric. Included components Benchtop planer. Manufacturer WEN. Part number PL1252. Item weight 68.9 pounds. Country of origin Taiwan. Item model number PL1252. Plane boards up to 6 inches thick and 12.5 inches wide. 15A motor generates 20,000 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Includes 2 reversible 12.5-inch SK5 blades. Adjust the depth of anywhere from 0 to 1/8 of an inch with each pass. The next is number 1, DeWalt Benchtop Thickness Planer. This benchtop is here with the 21% price off. Now you can get it at around $549. If you've read any other reviews of Benchtop Thickness Planer, this particular model will have surely popped up. This DeWalt model boasts a motor of 20,000 RPMs and its cutter head speed is 10,000 RPM. This type of power permits this machine to plane wood with great ease. It boasts a 2-speed gearbox, which permits you to change speeds while permitting you to perfect your cutting. The automatic carriage lock reduces movement to avoid sniping. When working with heavier woods such as oak, there appears to be no snipe, unlike most other models that produce some snipe toward the end of the board. This wood planer, like all DeWalt models, follows the highest possible standards for safety and build quality. DeWalt builds for the long run, and this model is no exception, being built to last. The DW735X's 20,000 RPM engine and 10,000 cutter head facilitate larger cuts in wider boards. The cutter head has 3 knives and features a chip ejection system, which is fan assisted. In terms of cut quality, the depth capacity is 6 inches and you will be able to optimize your cutting with either 96 or 179 cuts per inch.